Who is running this show? You or your lender? Hi, I'm Jeff Banks from MW Financial Group, and this is the Banks Report.
The Banks Report, a commentary by noted property and business tax consultant Jeff Banks. Jeff is not your ordinary accountant and speaks in words and terms that you understand.
In my practice, I help people who are working hard and using property and self-employment to help them reach their financial goals. In November, I conversed with a client who was at her wit's end. We had spoken at length about protecting her assets for her family and had suggested a structure around that advice. With a property targeted, the transaction was put into motion. Step in the mortgage broker, who thought only of his commission rather than the outcome of the client. About to settle, the client lets me know the structure we had created was inappropriate in the view of the lender for the transaction. Sorry, no it wasn't. What had happened was the mortgage broker had not listened to the client and was trying for a quick commission and had lodged the loan application in the client's personal name, not in the entity we wanted to use. Now this raises a number of issues. Firstly, you need to be very clear with your broker on what you want and how you want to structure a per property purchase. Secondly, remember banks are large institutions and do not move quickly, so please ensure everyone is on the same page as early as possible. Thirdly, if the broker says the bank won't do it, find another bank. Not simply cave into the whims of a broker looking for a quick commission and wanting to move on to the next deal. He's working for you, not the other way around. And fourthly, if there's an ancillary transaction to occur, like we were aiming to use an interest offset funds to retire non-deductible debt which was re-borrowed to establish tax deductibility, make sure the broker and the bank know. Like I said, banks are large institutions and take time to get their paperwork in place. At the end of the day, it's your transaction and you should project manage it in a way any project should be done, setting goals and ensuring each link in the chain is delivered on time. Don't get railroaded into having to walk away from a structure because at the day of settlement your lender, through your broker, says it can't be done. I know in the hustle and bustle of business and investing, time constraints sometimes get the better of us. But when we talk property, we are talking large numbers, and with large numbers comes large risk. The client in this case, although securing the property, now has it exposed to risk the proposed structure would have minimised. Limit your risk with the use of better planning and experts in their fields. Our mortgage brokers at MWL Financial Group are as close as mortgages@mwl.com.au, and in association with your client account manager here at MWL Financial Group can ensure your transactions avoid some of the pitfalls that this client had to put up with.
The Banks Report is created by Jeff Banks of MWL Financial Group, a specialist financial services firm offering strategic advice and services you need in property and business, including accounting, taxation, finance, financial planning, risk insurance, superannuation, and business advisory.